Robo hamsters. Action. Go. I'm trying, I'm not getting anywhere. I'm trying, I'm not getting anywhere. No. Hey. Go, hurry. Let's see what the guy's going on the castle. Hi. Oh, hi. Robo hamsters. I like it when they go through the... Oh, where'd he go? Right through the tube. Isn't that fun? Look at the little house, teepee. He's gonna... Oh, is he gonna go in the house?
Yeah. So February what?
Get some water.
Actually, he's actually getting closer to 3, but I've lost track.
Is this guy gonna go through the tube?
November.
Oh, there he goes. At the other end. Where is he? This guy's now. Oh, yay! Hello.
Oh, this guy was...
2 in a row. Ready? Ah. I want to see them go through the
wrestling thing.
Oh, that guy's going over there. I like when they go through the tube. There he goes. He did?
Yeah.
Well, that one's going in the castle.
Hey, there's almost two in the castle.
Oh, yeah. Here comes this guy. Hello. Oh.
Two are wrestling!
Oh, whoa, let me see that.
Aw, it's late now.
Yeah. This guy's going.
2 in there. Oh, 3 in there. Look.
Let's see him in there. Hello.
Oh, there's one. Oh, look.
Guys, I'm going to go write down the phone number next door, okay? So we can call them about the rest.
All right, let's say goodbye to this guy. Is he going in the house yet? There he goes. Oh, I don't think he likes that house, but he sure likes that wheelie thing.
Push the web. Look how fast this guy's going.
He's speedy Gonzalez. Look at this guy. Hi. Smile. You're on YouTube.
You want some water?
Okay, bye.